chronic migraine groups, you can see the subject has been changed. So just let us introduce ourselves. We are Gongling Fan, Liu Zhentai, and Xu Tingyu. Our supervisors is Dr. Zhang, and also the study from the laboratory from computation, neuroeconomy, and neuroeducation. It's by the interdisciplinary program of education in our university, National Tsinghua University in Taiwan. And also you can see the participant. We have the control groups and chronic migraine groups here. And you must make the data indigable so you can run the normal experience process, right? So we found some indigable conditions like you can't finish the experience or some runs happens in the experience, so we just can't meet the requirements on our data. So when we try to meet our requirements on data, we just have some kind of situation like you can't unfinish our experience or something. So by the incomplete data, we just have some situation like the data can't fit our collecting, like channels or some kind of tables. So we can't complete the data, and we have the complete data, and then we analyze the data, so the numbers of the data will decrease. And you can see the numbers of the data. We also have the final conditions here, and we have some training, also the validations by two process or two tests. Have more tests here to get our data better. And you can see the raw data here is messy. So we try to get some filters to make the data precise than before. And also you can see the FT7 channels here is by some situation, and it gets wrong here. We don't have some certain reference channel, so it's our sensor in EEG study and experience. You can see about like 32 channels. Okay, so about 30 channels, and you also can see we cut the duration in 2, and the overlap is 0. So we try to use EEGnet to input our data and convert to the 2 dimensions. It is by the kernel function, and we can collecting data and classify the data. You can see different types of signatures here, and also we have a further diff-wise convert to 2 dimensions here. It has further kernel function and get the output. And step 3, we use this output to compare different signatures, different types, so get more precise on our data, has further outputs, and the final classification is here. And when we try to use this, we want to make the accuracy better than I thought. But unfortunately, you can see the data has some predict wrong than the original one. So you also can see about 60 when people's in the control group that detect to the chronic migraine groups. So it is wrong. So we try to make the accuracy better. You also can see this one. And we use the loss function here. We try to make the loss lower than the original. So we use this function to analyze. And also you can see the model has some feature we need to classify by this feature and convert the data to 2-dimension to get the principal components. So we just try to input our data and convert to 2-dimension and normalize, and again activation and maximum pulling and dry out, and again, and also you can see the final ones is the average descent and activation again, and we have the final output. So in our models, we try to make the data have some frequency filters, but there is different types of frequency filters here. You can see the spatial one or temporal one is here, and we want to let the machine learn these filters to make our data precise. So it is here. We convert the 2 dimensions. You can see the temporal filters and also the spatial filters here. We try to make some normalization, and also again, just like the before one, like this model, and have the final outputs. And we have these filters. You can see 1 to 8 in our temporal filters, and also 2 to 2 in our spatial filters get more precise data. You can see here when the people in chronic migraine groups, and also their predict levels here is 86.4% accuracy. So we have better accuracy here, and you can see this is predict has stable forms here, not like the before. You can see before that has some very like a big wave. So we have something stable forms here, and also you can see this we about 60 here. So unfortunately, we say our study has not finished here. We can publish our data, but we tried to get access to this data open in the later days. So let's see our expectation. how to meet the final dreams and get more steps to get the accuracy and the study design meet the results better. Thank you.